name's Jerry Snyder. I'm the sales manager for Renco Controls, and we supply control panels for Jensen Engineered Systems. We build control panels, 508, UL 508 control panels for industrial applications, typically in the pump market, water, wastewater, that's our biggest market. And anything from a small alarm box up to a large integrated system, we can build both of those, anything in between. The main considerations are going to be how do you want to start the motor, how do you want it to run, and then environmental concerns, where the location is. So environmental, we'll go backwards. The environmental concerns would be, where is this panel located? Is it indoor, outdoor? What type rating does it need to have? How hot's the ambient temperature typically? How cold does it get? All of those considerations will extend the life of the control panel if you approach it correctly. We could start the pumps with many methods, anything from a simple IEC or NEMA rated starter up to VFD, soft starts, and so there's a lot of considerations that go into how you want to run the motor, how do you want to start it, do you want to run it full speed, or do you want to vary the speed of the motor? And a lot of water systems, you'll be varying the speed of the motor just to have constant pressure for a booster application. Wastewater, you may be varying the speed to keep the lift station at a set level, no matter how much flow is coming into it. So we can build systems for all of those methods of starting with different types of level detection, anything from a simple float switch to pressure transducers, ultrasonic transducers, to have actual real-time level measurement of the tanks. A VFD is a variable frequency drive, which can vary the speed of a motor. You do have to have the right type of motor that can be run at a variable speed, but VFD varies the speed by outputting a different frequency to the motor, so that typically, I mentioned a couple applications, and you're typically varying the speed to vary the amount of output. What makes us unique compared to other 508 shops, we provide value engineering to the control panel. We've been in this industry for 21 years, and so we know what to look for. We know where the pitfalls are. We know if there's an area of a spec or a certain situation, we know how to add some value, add some ideas, ways to put out a better product. For example, we understand that if you have a variable frequency drive in a control box, you have to have some sort of heat dissipation, because variable frequency drives create heat and generate heat. So then you run into issues with environmental concerns of outdoor rated enclosures with a fan package, for example. So we can give you alternatives. We can give you ideas of ways to put out a quality product and still be price competitive. We provide Jensen Engineered Systems with control panels. They request quotes. We give them quotations so that they can bid on projects, and then we of course build the product once they get the project. Like I mentioned, we provide value engineering for the control panels as well, because we're the control experts. So we're the control experts for Jensen Engineered Systems, and we provide that service for them. After the sale, the post-sale support can be anything from sending documentation, making sure all the documentation is both in the panel and electronically sent, but then up to site visits, startup, and all of that initialization of the control panel. We can also build the control panels to tie in with a particular municipal SCADA system, and we can meet that in many different ways, anything from just contacts to an existing system up to radio transmission, any of that sort of thing.
From design to installation supervision to system warranty, your team at Jensen Engineered Systems is with you all the way.